Where's the stocking?
Right here.
That's mine! I thought you said it was yours.
No, Mommy and Daddy put it together.
I like it. What is this? What? Why is it? Is that for my baby?
Go ahead and put it down. Keep opening it.
Cookie Monster. Our cookie. Ramen.
Why is there a bunch of baby stuff, Mama?
It's a diaper holder or wipey holder.
There you
Keep
go.
going.
It's a wipe with the cookies. Cookie wipes. You gotta brush that hair, that Cookie Monster hair.
What is this?
Here, open that one. Here.
What is that?
What's with these?
Go ahead and open that one.
There's a dolly.
Did you put this on? Yeah! Are you joking? Yes! No.
Hold it up.
Big sister. It says big sister.
What does that mean?
You're pregnant?
Yes. Awesome.
Is he gonna be like, I have a new sister, brother or sister? Is it a boy or girl?
Well, I don't know yet.
Gosh.
So Merry Christmas. You're going to be a big sister.
Soon.
July.
July?
Next year, yeah. Let me see the shirt.
Next year you're having a baby?
Big sister. Yeah, it takes time for the baby to grow, honey. So in the meantime, you're going to use that stuff to get ready. The baby will need your help.
Mama! I can't believe you.
Is that so awesome?
Yes.
Best Christmas ever?
Yes.
Think you want to wear that shirt today?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yes.
I try to make it glittery.
It is glittery.
Yeah.
That's why you have the glue stick on. I can't believe it.
Okay, Merry Christmas. I love you.
Love you.
Love you.
Love you.
Love you.
See candy.
Candy.
Love you, dude. Dude. Love you.
Love you.
Love you.
Love you.